Now search for an app called Image to PDF Converter. From the results, select this app, the one with this icon, then tap Install. Once it's installed, open the app and allow access to your storage and gallery. Now the app will open. Tap Create New PDF, then start selecting the photos you want to send as PDF. After selecting your photos, tap Next at the bottom. Here, you can change the order of the photos if you want. Once you're done, tap Convert to PDF. A new page will open with some optional settings, like adding a password or changing the orientation. If you don't need to change anything, just tap Convert. And now the PDF file has been created. To send it, tap the three dots next to the file, then choose Share File. From the sharing menu, choose WhatsApp and select the contact you want to send it to. And that's it. As you can see, the photos are now combined inside one PDF and sent successfully.